Hey guys, this is the Yes for All wooden balance board, and I wanted to give you a close look at it so you can see here. They do have kind of a rough sandpaper on it, and that really helps your feet get a really good grip on it when you're trying to stand on it. And here's what they have on the other side that is actually what's letting you balance and kind of move with it. And it's attached really well because we've been using it for a while. We've never had any issues with this getting loose, or I've never had any safety concerns with it, which is great because my kids use this a lot. So I'm thankful for that. And they do give you a sheet with some suggested exercises you can see here. So you can start with the beginner level, which involves just kind of getting to know the board, the balancing, and then you can get into more intermediate levels where you can do squats with it, push-ups, side planks, and leg stands. And then finally, you can start integrating it in a more advanced way with other things like, some bands and things like that, and even weights. So my kids are kind of still at that initial stage of doing things, and I'm kind of in that intermediate stage where I'm using it for other things. And so it's gotten a lot of use from 3 little kids and 1 adult, still in really good shape. And of course, if you're standing on it, you can kind of do that side to side motion, the front and back motion. You can even like kind of spin it as you're going on it. So that's kind of fun. And then I do try to use it as well for push-ups and then doing some side planks and left leg raises. And I will tell you that I've noticed my kids' balance has improved after being on this and working with it. So that's a big plus, because I know at times we've been working a lot on standing on one foot and being able to do different things and hopping, and sometimes that was challenging, but after they've spent some time on this board, it definitely got a little bit easier. So I think this is a great tool to have. It doesn't take up much space at all. It's not too heavy, easy to store, and something that's just easy to pull out and have. And of course, I would recommend doing it, especially when you're starting out on a soft surface, if you have a carpeted area or something where it would be easy to fall if you do, because at the beginning, sometimes that may happen a little bit. And of course, if you have something to hold on to start with, that could be a good idea too. But then if you're doing it anywhere, just to make sure there's nothing sharp around. So if you do fall, it'll just be an easy fall. But other than that, we just really, really enjoy it. And I know my kids always, sort of fight over it, taking turns. They have to wait in line to use it. So I think it's a big win for us.